We are going to photograph something that means something to us. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be something historical, just something that you like, that means something. This happens to be something my great-grandfather, Hacker, Josiah Hacker, made. It's a shuttlecock. It holds a spool of thread, and you send it across the warp of the loom. He carved it. He wrote his initials in it. Let's see if we can put that here. And it's important. Now we want to find some way to show what's important about it. Let's look at it. Let's bring some light into the picture. I put the light on the outside, facing the camera, coming from the camera's direction. And, okay, it shows the signature a little bit more. There we are. Let's get that light to rake down across. Perhaps it's descriptive. Perhaps it shows some of the carving marks, the way the thread came through the holes. I don't even know really how this works. There's where I thought the thread came out through that hole. Let's move the light to the back. Perhaps a bit more dramatic. You tell me if it's more descriptive. Of course, I wouldn't be in the photo. There we go. Look at that. Get great grandpa's signature there. Anyway, look at it. Play with it. Look at the light. See what it does when you move it into different lights. And then, when you get out your camera. Remember what we talked about with aperture shutter speed, tripod, ISO, and the light. And when you see something you like, push the button. Then do it again. Then do it again. Your first impression may be the perfect one, but it may not be the best. So do it until you think you've got it. I'm going to see if this freaking thing loads. So thank you so much.